All over the world, the dress shirt is basically the uniform of successful men. You wear it to work, when you have an important interview, even at your own wedding. LABFRESH is using smart textiles to make your life easier. Our research shows that men basically prefer to have 3 properties in a dress shirt. No stains, no smell, and as little ironing as possible. We found a way to offer that in a fabric that's also soft and breathable. We get a lot of questions about how it's possible for a shirt to have such magic properties and still feel natural. Well, it implies working on every aspect of the fabric. From the cotton selected to the way the yarns are spun and then woven. Our cotton is also treated so that the fibers are transformed at their very core. This allows the shirt to block out all fluids and bacteria before it enters the fabric, which is unlike other existing technologies where it's only added to the surface and can be washed off.
So together with our designer we created a great fit. We did it in a minimalistic design so it will never go out of style. LABFRESH is more about just making life easier for busy men. We also care about changing irresponsible consumption patterns. True sustainability is when you wear the same shirt for years instead of buying new stuff all the time.
The biggest hassle of wearing a shirt is not buying it, but keeping it fresh. Wear a napkin when you eat, bike slower so you don't sweat, maybe even do laundry on a Tuesday. A LABFRESH shirt can be worn for many days in a row, and you still don't have to wonder if your date can smell how long a day you had.
Well, it took us quite some time to quit our day jobs, but we're really excited that we're going to go all in on bringing this technology to market. We believe this is the next generation of shirts. With our background in sourcing and fashion, we think we are the right founders to create this unique product that will be worn for years to come.